So recently, I made a post on my Instagram asking you guys what stock plugins you like to use, and lots of you guys mentioned Sakura in FL Studio. And it's been a long time I used Sakura. I think a couple of years. I haven't used it ever since. So I felt okay, maybe this plugin is still really good. Let me give it a try. So I'm going to make a beat with this plugin and see how far I can go with making melodies, and if it actually sounds good, if I can find presets that I like. All right. So now I'm going to try and play some chords, all right, with this presets E keys 8.5 under the default program bank, all right, and it's causing me sound like this. All right, so now let's play that in. All right, I have this right here. Hit the record button. All right, let's open that up, quantize it, see how it sounds. I think I like it a little bit strummed. All right, I'm going to render that because I like to render my sounds when I make beats. All right, let's have that. Let's create another instance, okay? So before we go further, I want to let you know about the private one-on-one lessons that I do offer, where I teach you personally how to make much better music. If you're trying to mix, you're trying to master, you're trying to make beats, I'm going to show you a particular step in each lesson. Then you're going to do the same thing until your sound as good as mine. Yes, that's why you're going to achieve really good results within 6 weeks. In the first lesson, you're going to be amazed what you can even make. So if you're interested in stepping up your game and you're tired of YouTube and you're not getting the results you want ASAP, all you have to do is click the link in the description below that says private one-on-one lesson. Right, click the link and then fill up a form and then proceed. Then we're going to get started. All right, now let's get back to this tutorial. Now let's try to find something for our lead melody. Okay. All right, so I found this preset for my lead melody under the Eastern Drums Bank guitar behind the scene. So let's see what we can create with this. Okay, let's record something. Let's see how it sounds with the beats. All right, I'm going to stop this right here. Hit the record button. All right, then duplicate this, quantize. Let's see. I actually like it when it sounded short and plucky. All right, let's make another instance and then let's add some pads. All right. I like this preset, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to press empty, hit the record button. Let's make sure it's well quantized. Let's add some more pads, some more pad layers. All right. Clone this. We're going to use all right, this sounds fire. Let's try that. All right, Let's do something with that. Now let's see how that sounds. I think this should just happen here. Maybe stretch it out. Let's add some strings. That's really nice. Let's play. All right, let's add that. All right, let's add some strings. Let's see how that sounds. So for our bass, we're going to keep our bass really simple, all right? We're going to just copy from our chord progression, okay? Let's copy from our chords, go to where our bass line is supposed to be. Paste it in here. I think that's it. Yep. So now we're going to just use bass notes. These are the bass notes. I'm just going to use them. So let's listen and see how it sounds. Increase the volume. I think Sakura has a lot of really nice sounds, right? I think I'm going to be using it more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up so that people that need videos can easily find it right here on YouTube, and the subscribe button to keep up with more tutorials like this. See you soon. Cheers.